My name is Adian Singh, and my app for the 2023 Congressional App Challenge is TimeWiseAI. TimeWiseAI is a tool designed to help students manage their academics, extracurriculars, and other activities through an AI-based interface. It provides statistics on targeted areas, uses a neat notification system to gather feedback, and has a plan for all the user's activities. It includes a built-in calendar generator and interface, and the main feature of this app, it has a personalized chatbot that takes the data from your tasks and uses it to provide customized advice, comprehensive guides, and solutions to help keep the user organized at all their events. When you first open TimeWiseAI, you will see an organized home screen that contains all of your statistics, which can be adjusted to be daily, weekly, or monthly. This section also includes your goals and time commitments in every category, and this can be adjusted based on the user's preferences. The app also conveniently sends notifications to help keep the user on track if they're falling behind on their goals. And now it's time to take a look at the main feature of this app, the AI chatbot advice. Let's say even that after our student has successfully organized all of their extracurriculars, they're still facing a few issues with their performance in a few areas. Let's ask TimeWiseAI for some ideas. Okay, so let's say that the user is having a little bit of difficulty with distributing their time and when it comes to sports. So let's ask the chatbot, and once we click this button, we get a response. So the large language model is using a process called natural language processing to generate a response. The AI is saying, "Hello, based on the schedule you've provided, it appears that you have a rich array of activities." And then it gives us some tips on how to manage our time. So first it says we need to prioritize and balance, and it also gives us specific examples. It says, for example, on the 3rd of this month, you tried this method and it ended up boosting your performance significantly. Next, it's telling us to have consistency and rest. And so it's telling us establish a consistent routine for activities that require regular practice, where 2 sessions a week might be optimal. So as you can see, the AI chatbot is actually giving us pointers on how to optimize our time management and all of our activities that we have going on in the week or even the month. Let's ask it another question. Alright, so this time let's ask the AI about a math test that we have tomorrow and how we can best prepare for it. Okay, so what it's doing here is it's giving us a breakdown for our activities on both days, and it's giving us available time slots. And it's giving us a little bit of advice as well. And there we go. That's a full guide on how we can make the most of our time to study for this test and how we can excel at our performance both in and out of school. Now to visualize all of our events, let's navigate to TimeWiseAI's built-in calendar feature and see all of our events. Here the student can see any activities that they have planned for the day and at what time. Next, in the weekly calendar, the student can see all of their events sorted by the day of the week. Finally, the monthly calendar screen will show all the events that the user has lined up for the month. This will help them easily organize all of their classes and extracurriculars. And now, the AI integration hasn't ended just yet. To take it one step further, the app also has a built-in AI feature that can generate an entire month's calendar based on the user's requests in only a matter of seconds. Let's take a look at that. Here, the user can input their special requests and then receive a comprehensive calendar which is intelligently designed to prevent time conflicts in activities and organize all the user's events. So now let's click Generate. Students can also make their requests in any language, and they can use speech to text because the AI can understand that as well. In this example, we will be requesting that the AI generate a calendar where we practice 2 hours of piano in the morning and 1 hour of basketball in the evening time. And voila, here we go. We can now take another look at the monthly calendar view and see a calendar full of events. Another feature of TimeWiseAI is that it's multilingual. You could ask it to generate a calendar in any language and it's going to do it. For this example, let's use Spanish. Okay, now let's navigate to our new calendar. As you can see, we have a lot of events that are in the art category, which is exactly what we told it to do in Spanish. I built this app with React Native and JavaScript. The app runs on all platforms such as iPhones, Androids, and web interfaces. I integrated my app with OpenAI's GPT-4 model to create the AI functionality. TimeWiseAI aims to reduce stress amongst high schoolers who are struggling to balance their schoolwork and hobbies. In an effort to reignite passion amongst high schoolers, TimeWiseAI is here to help. Thank you for watching this video about TimeWiseAI.